Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see advantages of the IAC. IAC is the infrastructure as a code. We have seen few points about IAC in our previous video. So let's see what are the advantages of the IAC. So first of all, we have to understand how we are managed and what is the use of IAC so that we can go for the advantages. So in traditional way, what we have done previously, we have like a different environments like QA, production, pre-production, development. This kind of environments will be there. For each environments, we are taking the time to create our infra at least for 5 days, considering like that, or it will take a minimum of 1 week. When coming to all five environments, it will take like up to 25 days or 1 month. But when we using or when we are managing with our environment with IAC tool, you can easily deploy and you can easily create your infrastructure within 5 days. That is the more advantage when we are going with the IAC. This like we are going to manage with our IAC. How to use it? Store your code in SCM tools. So you can store your code in GitHub, Bitbucket kind of source code management tool, and from there you can trigger those codes and you can build your infrastructure for the multiple environments. You are going to act only from the remote and it is going to store in SCM tool, so where it having like a versioning options also you can get it, and it's going to track your code by the logs of Git, and you can use it from Visual Studio Code. Let's see the importance of the advantages for this video. When we going for IAC tool, it is highly scalable. You are going to write the code only once and you can reuse it for many times. By that, you can go for like a modules for your infrastructure. You are going to create only the modules, and those modules you are going to use it for the different environment. And security, you are going to create only once the code, which the code you are going to create like a more secureable. So if you created as a more secured, you can reuse it for your all environment, so it is going to be reduce your work, and it is going to be it's reduce your task everything, and it's going to also reduce your threats and vulnerabilities. You are going to focus on only one time of the code. And stability, coming to the stability, you can store your code in version control. So coming to version control, you can more it by using that, you can trigger and you can use it by the way wherever you want, and it's having the high level of visibility because it is a code where you can see a lot of resources, and inside whatever you are writing you can able to see clearly in that. So that's why it's having the lot of visibility when coming to the code, and you can easily do the audit work. You can maintain your records. For example, if you are having 10 resources for your infra, you can easily audit it, and if you are want to do some changes also, even you can easily do that. It is also easy to integrate with other tools like a Jenkins. So you can coming to the IAC tools, for example, if you are taking Terraform, you can integrate with Jenkins, and then from there you can execute your task so that your infra will be automatically will be created. So again, it is going to deploy and automate your infra. And if you would like to change anything, you are going to just edit the code, so it's going to give the reconfigure. But when you are going for like a GUI interface, you have to go step by step manner and you have to change everything. Here you are just replace the code, so that when you when you go for the configuration, it will reconfigure everything. If you like this video, give thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.